Hello and welcome to one more informative video from InfoButter. While using WordPress, it is possible that you're working with some themes like I do here, and some of the themes require you to use the widget section. For example, this one, if you click on this customize section and go to footer settings, it will ask you to make changes in widgets like footer, top bar. You have these things available, but all these have to be updated using the footer section which is available under widget. So I'll cancel it from here, go back to this section under appearance widgets, and I realize that widgets are missing from WordPress, or widgets are simply not available. So you just get this blank screen with no widgets at all. You see this? So to fix that, actually this is not an error, this is due to an update, the recent update of WordPress. So to fix that, we have a plugin available. Just go to plugin section, click on this add new plugin, and as soon as the screen appears, all you have to do is type in classic widget and hit enter. The very first plugin that you get is classic widgets. Just see this here and click on this is install now button. While it gets installed, you can simply click on the subscribe button of my channel, because if you don't subscribe, I don't get to know whether my videos are helping you guys. So click on the subscribe button right now, and after that, once you've done that, click on this activate button from here, and it will take you to another screen which has a list of all the plugins in the website, and the status will be active. That's why it is showing deactivate. So now you go to this appearance and widgets again, and as you see, all the widgets are, the classic widgets are available right now. This was the requirement: footer 1, footer 2, footer 3 and footer 4, shop, sidebar. So all these things are available as they were there in the previous versions of WooCommerce. Now you can do it with the help of a plugin. So thank you very much guys for watching, and click on the subscribe button if you haven't done already. Thank you very much.